Hello everyone, and welcome to today's flow. So let's begin. So we'll start standing up, reaching the hands out in front of you, bending the knees, coming into chair pose. So you almost want to tuck the tailbone in, keeping the spine neutral. Engaging the legs. A few more breaths. And gently release. Give the legs a little shake. And move into a forward fold, so hinging at the hips, keeping the knees slightly bent and paddling through the legs just to warm up the hamstrings. And stepping back, we'll move into Warrior I. So keeping both hips pointing forwards. Arms come to either side of the head. Gently release. Coming into Warrior II. Releasing the back hand, flipping the front hand, reaching up, coming into Reverse Warrior. Gently release back into Warrior II. We'll swivel the hips round, coming into Warrior I on the other side. Both hands reach up to either side of the body. Release the hands, Warrior II. Release the back hand, flip the front hand, Reverse Warrior. Moving back into Warrior II, place the hands on the hips, swivel the hips, and we'll come into Goddess pose. So bring the hands into heart center, reach up, bend the knees. So you can stay here, or you can come up onto the tiptoes, engaging the lower legs. Gently breathe. Release the knees, release the hands. And point both toes forward. Place the hands on the hips. Gently reach forwards with the chest, coming into a wide forward fold. keeping a slight bend in the knees. The hands can come to the ground or the legs, whatever feels the most available and comfortable. Slowly lifting up the head and the chest. And thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope to see you again.